Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on diction. That is very important for FPSC English lectureship exam. So the first one is choose the word whose connotation best fits the sentence. The sooner we move out of this home or dump, said Jack, the happier we'll be. यानी हम यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन डंप है या फिर हम पाएगा तो डंप इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. The next question is boss Rich and his cronies are employees have controlled the politics in the city for more than 20 years. I certainly hope the other party wins this year. यहाँ पे करेक्ट ऑप्शन है क्रोनीज. आप में से जो लोग चैनल पर न्यू हैं जिन्होंने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, काइंडली मेरे चैनल ASPPSC गाइड एंड इंग्लिश प्रिपरेशन को सब्सक्राइब करें. वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो लाइक कीजिएगा और सबसे शेयर कीजिएगा. ये वीडियो बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. डिक्शन के ऊपर मैंने MCQs बनाए हैं. 70 के करीब MCQs हैं और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. डिक्शन एक हाईलाइटेड टॉपिक होता है FPSC इंग्लिश लेक्चरशिप एग्जाम के लिए. सो द नेक्स्ट इज इट वाज अ ब्यूटीफुल स्प्रिंग डे एंड द स्टेंच आर सेंट ऑफ एप्पल ब्लॉसम्स फील्ड द होल यार्ड. तो यहाँ पे स्टेंच आर सेंट में से एप्पल की जो खुशबू होती है दैट इज सेंट. ओके, तो आपको इस चैनल पर PPSC और FPSC इंग्लिश लेक्चरशिप की कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी. इवन इंटरव्यू के लिए भी कंप्लीट प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी. The next is I hope I don't have to share an office with Janice. Sandra told me how curious or nosy she can be. Curious or nosy में से nosy आएगा. Okay. The next is you are lucky to have Vidma on your committee. She has lots of ideas, original or crazy. तो यहाँ पे original ideas जो है best connotation है. The next is choose the word whose connotation best fits the sentence. This cell phone is dash but I don't mind paying extra because it has so many useful features. तो इसमें expensive जो है वो correct option है. The next is I think Faye is an excellent president, said the principal. She really knows how to dash, how to manage आएगा. Will you please turn your stereo off? I can't concentrate with all that noise or music. तो यहाँ पे noise जो है वो correct option है. What makes Jim such an excellent storyteller is his knack for invention or lying. That is invention. The next is, can you please ask the new saleswoman not to be so enthusiastic or pushy? She is scaring away the customers. तो यहाँ पे pushy जो है वो correct option है. The next is the body of words you know and understand is called. ये क्या कहलाता है? Body of word जो होता है हमेशा that is called vocabulary, but the choice of words is called diction. Diction क्या होता है कि आपके पास vocabulary होती है जो उसमें जो आप choice करते हो कि कौन सा word की setting में use करना है, that is the diction. Choice of words is called diction, but the body of words you know and understand is called vocabulary. So the next is the practice of choosing how to use those words is called diction. In writing dash is the strategic choice of words based on the audience, context or situation, that is diction. The words you would choose in an email to your teacher or work colleague are dash from the words you would choose when speaking to a close friend, different from the words. The next is in writing dash refers to the words the writer chooses to use, that is diction refers to the words the writer chooses to use. डैश डिक्शन कम्स अक्रॉस एज मोर सीरियस एंड प्रोफेशनल. अब ये टाइप्स ऑफ डिक्शन में से MCQs लिए गए हैं, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वो कौन सा डिक्शन होता है जो कि कम्स अक्रॉस मोर सीरियस प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे यूज़ किया जाता है, दैट इज़ फॉर्मल डिक्शन. जो हम फ्रेंड्स के साथ यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ इनफॉर्मल. डैश इन्वॉल्व्स द प्लेफुल यूज ऑफ वर्ड्स इंक्लूडिंग जोक्स एंड वर्ड प्ले, दैट इज़ इनफॉर्मल डिक्शन. Dash diction comes across as arrogant in real life, but it's nonetheless useful as a writing tool, that is pedantic diction. Instead of trying to sound smart, dash tries to sound normal or common, that is pedestrian diction. Diction with dash, an extension of informal diction, encompasses words and phrases that only a particular type of person understands, that is slang. Dash is a type of writing consisting of words and phrases that are informal and is more common in speech than writing, that is also called slang. Similar to slang, dash diction refers to specific words or phrases used in particular geographical locations, that is colloquial diction. Colloquial diction can also represent dialects of a language. Colloquially होता है. Dash diction refers to discussing something intangible like an idea or emotion, that is related to abstract diction. The opposite of abstract diction आपको पता है abstract का जो opposite होता है that is concrete diction which uses specific and direct language with minimal ambiguity. Dash diction use makes use of rhymes, rhythm, and phonetics to make words sound pleasing together, that is poetic diction. A dash involves making a direct comparison between two unrelated things to suggest a similarity, that is metaphor. A simile also involves comparison but uses like or as to establish the connection. Dash gives human qualities or attributes to non-human entities. Animals are abstract concepts, that is personification. Hyperbole involves deliberate dash for emphasis or effect. हाइपरबोला जो होता है वह इन्वॉल्व करता है एग्जेजरेशन को, बात को बढ़ा चढ़ा के बयान करना. Dash is the repetition of initial consonant sounds in a series of words, that is alliteration. Dash is the repetition of vowel sounds within words in close proximity, that is assonance. Consonance is a literary device that involves the repetition of consonant sounds in close proximity within a sequence of words or at the end of words, that is consonance. Dash contributes to the musical and rhythmic quality of language, adding a sense of harmony and creating memorable patterns of sound, that is also called consonance. The next is, unlike alliteration, which repeats initial consonant sounds, that can involve consonant sounds at any position within words, that is also called consonance. The next is, onomatopoeia involves using words that imitate the sounds they describe. So I hope it's clear to all of you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.